Everything in your shop goes smoother when your machinery is adjusted just right. The most critical piece of equipment you need to get your machinery dialed in is a straight edge that's truly straight. Woodpeckers steel straight edges are ground to a tolerance of 2 10,000ths of an inch per foot. That industry-leading tolerance is checked on our state-of-the-art video optic inspection system. These are no joke tools, each one just under 1/4 of an inch thick and 2.5 inches wide. They'll easily stand upright while you check with a feeler gauge or look for light. And now there are 2 models, square on both edges, or 1 square edge and 1 beveled edge. The beveled edge makes visual inspections easier on things like plane soles and router fences. Use the square edge to check the bed rollers on your thickness planer and to make sure your joiner beds are parallel. But don't put your steel straight edge in a drawer when you finish dialing in your equipment. I use my 12-inch to check my stock after milling to make sure it's not warped or twisted. We make the steel straight edges in 12, 24, and 36-inch lengths, with either 2 square edges or 1 square edge and a beveled edge. You can get just the size you need, or you can save some money with a complete set. Woodpecker steel straight edge, the right tool to dial your machinery in. Order yours today.